Today I'm going to share with you 4 useful Tagalog phrases that you can use when you travel to the Philippines. Kumusta? Kumusta? It means how are you? Salamat. Salamat. It means thank you. Saan ang? Saan ang? Where is the? For example, saan ang CR? In the Philippines, we don't say toilet or we don't say bathroom. We say CR as in comfort room for comfort. Saan ang CR? Saan ang CR? Where is the toilet or where is the bathroom? Magkano? Magkano? How much? Magkano to? It means how much is this? Ito means this. How much is this? If you want to sound more native or more local, you can say magkano to? Magkano to? Follow me for more.